very latest, recently launched Xperia Z2, the world's most beautiful design phone, which is omni-balanced design, which looks beautiful from all the angle, with glass crafted from everywhere. It has got 3.5mm jack. Still, it is the waterproof, most rated waterproof phone, IP certified by 55 and 58. It has got all the gadgets. You can see the micro SD card slot over here. This is the circuit for the charging dock, which is easily provided on the device, and this is one of the best device which has got the most sturdiest powerful battery. This is 3200 milliampere battery size, and which enhances the entire experience because it has got the 2.3 gigahertz core called Qualcomm Snapdragon, which improves the better performance. Apart from that, this entire phone, it is complete with the camera experience, as it has got 20.7 megapixel camera, and not only the camera, this is world's one of the powerful cam recorder feature also, as this can support 4K video recording. This is the phone which has got supporting of 4K video recording, so now you can record your movement with 4 times better than your HD, and you can play back on your 4K TV as well. That's the best part of this.
Can you take one picture and show me the quality, and one small video also?
This is what I would like to show you, the clarity of the device. That 20.7 megapixel, and it has got the 4K video capability, so I can record videos in 4K. And that's not the best part. If I go to add on some application, now I can shift my video with time shift video application, so you can relive your moments. You can go back, and what you can do is simply you can just make a shot. Whatever video what you take it, you just go back. Sorry. So you can relive this moment. You can go into details. The moment what you want to make slow motion, that can be possible. This remaining movement will be very slow. That's the best part. So I would like to show you that way. Just a second. Now can we do it? So you can see the clapping what is happening right now, and if I pause it, and then if I want to relive it, it will give you better impact. So now we can see very easily. That's the power of Xperia Z Ultra time shift video.
Yeah, stop.
And along with that particular feature, and this is readily available with 4.4 Android built in with it, and the entire phone which completes with better video experience. Let me tell you, this particular device has got live color LED with triluminous, which gives you wonderful experience of colors, various colors. I would like to show you the proper color what you can see on this particular device. That's the beauty of the Xperia Z2 triluminous, which gives you variety of true colors. You can see the pure colors with live color LED. See the color difference, details, because it has got X reality, which gives you better details, sharper, and you won't lose your resolution. And not only on photos, this triluminous is available on video also. You can see the beautiful video with variety of red color. Not only red, we can even see the blue, and that's the emerald green color. That's the power of triluminous, where you can see red, green, blue, and the best color it's available, that is emerald green and normal green. Entire phone complete package with first time ever triluminous live color LED along with IPS panel. which makes phone much more better. And now let me show you the video what has been captured on this phone with 4K. So I would like to show you the video what I have captured on this device, and that is in 4K. So you can see the much more details. So if I want to zoom it, yes I can. I can zoom it and I can see more details, videos. That's because of 4K. In fact, 4K video recording. That's the power of 20.7 megapixel camera, world's most powerful camera recorder as well. I would like to show you more details video. See the details. That's the power of beauty of this live color LED along with X Reality, which gives you true colors along with details. Detail makes the difference. You can see the tiny stars available on entire sky that can be easily seen because of X Reality. And that was also a 4K video. So it has got playback support of 4K, it has got capability to record 4K. And that's not over here. We have got multiple features for the camera photography. You can record your movements on 4K time shift video as I have shown previously. Apart from that, we have got one unique feature. It's called background defocus. So your camera becomes like a professional camera. You can click a photo so that in such a manner that which gives you experience like a professional camera. That's the power of background defocus. So it will give you impact like this. You can select particular object and you will get the details image. Background will be defocused. There is one sample photo what I would like to show you in that case. So I have did that. This is the normal photo. After doing focus, defocus, background defocus, you can see entire background has been defocused. I have got the options so that I can do defocus. Yeah. So apart from that, in camera we have got AR effect, which was earlier just for the capturing some moments in photos, but now you can capture funny moments with videos as well. So now you can record funny moments with videos also. That's because of low light, maybe it's not possible. But you can now add a funny moments with specific details. You can see this. So just not only on photos, even you can record this in moments like videos. That's the power of camera add-on application what we have got it inside the phone. Altogether, if I talk about this particular device, 2.3 quad-core processor with Snapdragon. This has got built-in 3 GB RAM. So that's the beauty of this 3 GB RAM along with 2.3 GHz quad-core processor, and the battery, most powerful battery, 3200 mAh, and that is completing with the best part, battery stamina mode. You can look at over here. So this particular device, once you go to power management, I can enhance my battery consumption with the help of stamina mode. You can see right now it's showing 2 days 14 hours, 3 days 6 hours in standby. As soon as I turn on my standby, it improves my estimated days, 5 days 4 hours, 6 days 11 hours in standby mode. So that is what about stamina mode, which improves your battery standby up to 4 times. So you will not lose your moments. How does it work exactly? Whatever application which are running behind the phone, background in the phone, it will pause that particular application, and if you want certain application needs to work, you can go to add application and you can select the application whatever you want, which needs to be working even in background. That's the power of the
metal body. Is it a metal body?
Yeah, entire phone is crafted by one single metal frame, and along with the Omni Balance design. So entire phone, you can see the entire frame is metal frame with both side glass finish. the camera over here.